So okay, this is the heart. As you know, heart is a hollow muscular organ situated in mediastinum and covering of pericardium. Okay. Then as you know, heart is a 4 chamber. Okay. 2 atrium and 2 ventricles. Okay. This is right atrium, right and left atrium, right ventricle, left ventricle. Okay. Then we start with external features of heart. Okay. So external features, it is apex. This is the base. Okay. 3 surfaces: anterior sternocostal, inferior diaphragmatic, and left surface. Okay. 4 borders: right border, left border, inferior border, and upper border. Okay. So start with surfaces and external features. Okay. This is the apex. Okay. This is apex forming by left ventricle. Okay. It is downward, forward, and laterally. Then apex is lying in left fifth intercostal space. Okay. It is 3.5 centimeter, 3.5 inches from the median plane and just medial to mid clavicular line. Okay. So this is the apex, downward, forward, to the left. Okay. Next with base. This is base of heart. Okay. It is just opposite to the apex. Apex is just opposite hoga. This is base. Okay. In the base we are seeing 4 pulmonary veins. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. It is formed by mainly by left atrium. It is formed by both the atrium, right atrium and left atrium. Okay. It is mainly formed by the left atrium. Okay. Some part of contribution of right atrium. Okay. So this is the base. Then we are starting with surfaces. Okay. So this is the 3 surfaces in the heart: anterior sternocostal surface. Okay. This is the sternocostal surface. It is formed by right atrium and right ventricle. Okay. Mainly from right atrium, right ventricle. Okay. So this is the sternocostal surface. Second is inferior surface या diaphragmatic surface. Okay. It is formed by both sides of ventricles, right and left ventricle. Okay. 2/3 part forming by left ventricle, only 1/3 part formed by right ventricle. Okay. Another surface is left surface. It is formed by left auricle and left ventricle. Okay. Again it is 2/3 forming by left ventricle and only 1/3 is formed by right auricle. Sorry, left auricle. This is the left surface. Okay. Then we starting with borders. It is 4 borders: right border, left border, inferior border, and upper border. Okay. So right border starting with opening of superior vena cava. Okay. This is opening of superior vena cava to the opening of inferior vena cava. It is right border. Okay. Opening of superior vena cava, opening of inferior vena cava. In between border, it is right border. Right border separate sternocostal surface to the base. ठीक है. So इन दोनों को ये right border separate करती है. Then left border starting with left auricle, left side to the apex of heart. Okay. It is separated sternocostal surface या anterior surface and left surface. इन दोनों को ये divide करती है left border. So right border, left border. Another border is inferior border. Inferior border is starting with opening of inferior vena cava to the apex in the right side. ठीक है, this is called inferior border. Okay, it is separated sternocostal surface to the diaphragmatic surface. ठीक है, इन दोनों को ये सेपरेट करती है. कौन सी बॉर्डर? इंफीरियर बॉर्डर. नियर टू एपेक्स, यहां पे वन नॉच इज प्रेजेंट इंसिसुरा एपाइसिस कॉर्डिस. ठीक है, नियर टू एपेक्स इंसिसुरा एपाइसिस कॉर्डिस. ओके, and another border is present, it is upper border. Okay, upper border not seen clearly because of great vessels. This is the pulmonary trunk and this is the ascending aorta. So in this structure it is not clearly seen. ठीक है, ये क्लियरली सीन नहीं होती है क्योंकि ये दोनों स्ट्रक्चर्स जो है इसको कवर कर लेते हैं. ओके, तो दिस इज द अपर बॉर्डर. ठीक है, तो टोटल 4 बॉर्डर होती है: राइट बॉर्डर, लेफ्ट बॉर्डर, इंफीरियर बॉर्डर एंड अपर बॉर्डर. ओके, दिस इज द 4 बॉर्डर्स. ठीक है, एंड 3 सरफेस रिवाइज करा रहा हूं. दिस इज एंटीरियर सरफेस या स्टर्नोकॉस्टल सरफेस, डायफ्रामेटिक सरफेस, दिस इज द लेफ्ट सरफेस. ओके, so this is anatomical position of heart. As you know, but in the left side apex should be on the index finger. Okay, inferior, this is the diaphragmatic surface या inferior surface lies on finger and the base should be on the palm. Okay, this is the anatomical position of heart. Okay, then the 2 atrium is dividing and connecting with the septum, interatrial septum. Okay, 2 ventricle connecting to the interventricular septum. Okay, septum is अंदर की साइड में होगा. Okay, outer side some grooves and sulcus are present. Okay, one important sulcus and groove is coronary sulcus. Okay, या atrioventricular groove. Okay, atrioventricular groove. ठीक है, atrioventricular groove या coronary sulcus. ठीक है, and another groove is anterior interventricular groove and posterior interventricular groove. ठीक है, atrioventricular groove means between atrium and ventricles. ठीक है, both the side, right side, this is left side. Okay, this is atrioventricular groove या coronary sulcus. Both are the same चीज. ठीक है, इंटरवेंट्रिकुलर ग्रूव बिटवीन 2 वेंट्रिकल्स. ठीक है, अनदर ग्रूव इज प्रेजेंट, इंटरवेंट्रिकुलर ग्रूव. ठीक है, एंटीरियर साइड है तो एंटीरियर इंटरवेंट्रिकुलर ग्रूव, पोस्टीरियर साइड इज पोस्टीरियर इंटरवेंट्रिकुलर ग्रूव. ओके, सो इन स्टार्ट विथ कोरोनरी सर्कस. कोरोनरी सर्कस इज ए सर्कस बिटवीन एट्रियम एंड वेंट्रिकल. इट इज 2 पार्ट, एंटीरियर पार्ट and posterior part. Anterior part again is dividing 2 half, right half and left half. In the right half it is present between right atrium and right ventricle. Okay, this is the right half of anterior coronary sulcus. ठीक है, this is content of right coronary artery. ठीक है, this is the right coronary sulcus. Left side between left auricle and left ventricle, it is, this is the left half of anterior coronary sulcus. ठीक है, in this it is contained in this sulcus circumflex branch of left coronary artery. ठीक है, इसमें ये कंटेंट रहेगी, circumflex branch of left coronary artery की ब्रांच होगी. ठीक है, this is the last posterior part. ठीक है, ऑफ कोरोनरी सर्कस या एट्रियोवेंट्रिकुलर सर्कस, दोनों का नाम सेम है. ठीक है, इन दिस इज बेस, दिस इज इंफ्लेमेटरी डायफ्रामेटिक सरफेस बिटवीन, दिस इज द पोस्टीरियर पार्ट ऑफ कोरोनरी सर्कस. कंटेंट रहेगा इसके अंदर कोरोनरी साइनस. ओके, कोरोनरी साइनस के अंदर कंटेंट रहेगा. देन लास्ट है एंटीरियर. ओके, So another groove and sulcus present on the anterior surface, the sternocostal surface is anterior interventricular groove, and this is the posterior interventricular groove. In the anterior interventricular groove present anterior interventricular artery, branch of left coronary artery, okay, and one is vein, great cardiac vein. Okay, this is the anterior interventricular sulcus between two ventricles. ठीक है, दिस इज एंटीरियर इंटरवेंट्रिकुलर सर्कस और इसके अंदर कंटेंट रहेगी एंटीरियर इंटरवेंट्रिकुलर आर्टरी एंड ग्रेट कार्डियक वेन. ओके, अनदर सर्कस प्रेजेंट ऑन द इंफीरियर सरफेस या डायफ्रामेटिक सरफेस. ठीक है, दिस इज पोस्टीरियर इंटरवेंट्रिकुलर सर्कस और पोस्टीरियर इंटरवेंट्रिकुलर ग्रूव. ठीक है, इन दिस सर्कस presenting posterior interventricular artery and middle cardiac vein. ठीक है, this is posterior interventricular artery and middle cardiac vein present in the posterior interventricular sulcus.